Hey guys, welcome back to Driving TV. I'm super excited as usual because I have prepared for you guys something a little bit different. So I decided to make maybe what I believe is going to be of great help for you guys. I need you guys to let me know in the comments. If it's not helpful, just be honest and tell me. But I made for you guys basically a preparation questions of what to expect on the road test, everything that you're going to see in the road test, and just to be prepared. So when the day comes and you're going to sit there behind the wheel, you know exactly what to do, how to do it, what to expect, and everything. So this video is going to be that. I really hope that it's helpful the way that I did it, the way that I put it all together for you. So if it is, please let me know in the comments. Your feedback is so much appreciated. And I will try to reply and get back to you guys every single comment. If not, you can reach me on Instagram. It's on the link is on the bio and probably in the description as well. Pretty sure I left it there. That being said, subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and let's get started.
Okay, so here's the most important maneuvers that you are going to find on your road test that you absolutely need to know how to do, or else you will fail the test. You will immediately fail. So these are the things that you must know how to do. Starting with a 3-point turnaround. Now, a 3-point turn is also known as a turn around. It involves reversing direction in a narrow street, and it's mostly in areas where you cannot do a U-turn. So you perform a 3-point turn, and you must know how to do this. It's gonna be on your road test. They're gonna ask you suddenly, hey, do a 3-point, and you're gonna have to do this and complete it successfully. Now, this is how you will do a 3-point turn. You're gonna start by signaling and pull over to the right curb or edge of the road. Check for traffic in both directions. Reverse straight back until your vehicle is nearly parallel with the curb or the edge of the road. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and slowly move forward to the opposite curb or edge of the road. Reverse again while turning your steering wheel to the right to complete the turn and straighten your vehicle. You're gonna make sure that you complete the maneuver smoothly and without hitting the curb or obstructing traffic. So now the next one is lane changes. So proper lane change are very crucial for the road test. Obviously, you're going to be on the road, you're going to be with the examiner, and you're going to have to demonstrate that you are capable of changing lanes smoothly and also very safely. So the proper lane changes are crucial for safe driving and are often assessed during this road test. And to execute a lane change, this is how you do it. You check your mirrors and blind spots to make sure that the lane is clear and you could very freely change to the other lane, the lane that you desire to go. So you're going to demonstrate that you do check your mirrors, that you are aware of your surroundings by doing this. Now you're going to signal your intention to change the lanes. Remember, signaling is very important and is a must, especially on the road test. So then you're going to gradually move into the next lane while maintaining your speed and position within your lane. You're not going to speed to change lanes or slow down. You're going to maintain your appropriate speed and smoothly change to the other lane. Avoid cutting off other vehicles or changing lanes, fast and drastically. Continue to monitor traffic around you at all times and adjust your speed and position as needed. Now, stopping at intersections. This is another one that's very important. Stopping correctly at an intersection is super important for both safety and compliance with traffic laws. So here's how to approach intersections during a road test. Approach the intersection at a safe speed and be prepared to fully stop. Check for traffic signals, stop signs, and any pedestrians crossing the street at that moment. Come to a complete stop. You must come to a complete stop because this is very crucial. They're always keeping an eye whether you do like the little rolling stops or you completely stop. You need to stop fully behind the white line or crosswalk if that is the case. Also use your mirrors and look left and right and left again before proceeding. Yield to any vehicles or pedestrians with the right of way before entering the intersection.
Real quick, I made the Driving TV Ultimate Guide so you don't waste hours reading boring stuff that you don't even need. This is straight to the point, exactly what they'll test you on. You'll know what to expect on the test day, what maneuvers they want, the requirements, everything. I even packed in 100 real DMV questions and answers. If you want to pass on the first try, grab it now, links in the description.
Always remember this and keep an eye for this part when the stop signs and the whole intersection thing. It's going to be a thing. They're gonna take you around in your car and suddenly you're gonna see a stop sign and they're gonna be like staring to see if you make that complete full stop and wait at least like 5 seconds before proceeding, and the stop has to be fully made behind that white line. Now, number 4, or my fourth thing that I gotta say, would be backing up. Another important one on the road test. Backing up safely and accurately is another essential skill that is accessed during a road test. So before backing up, you check your mirrors and look over your shoulder like I have discussed in previous videos and taught you guys. And that's to make sure that there's no obstacles or pedestrians behind your vehicle. Now, place your right hand and arm over the back of the passenger seat and turn your body to the right to see through the rear window. Slowly back up in a straight line while maintaining control of your vehicle. They're trying to see if you have full control of your vehicle, and also if you are somebody who's always aware and careful of their surroundings. If you know that you need to look at the mirrors and do the arm behind the shoulder thing, and like they're gonna be watching all of that. You need to do all of these things. Now, use some small adjustments of the steering wheel to guide the vehicle backwards. Stop if you need to readjust or anything like that, or if you see pedestrians or obstacles in your path. That would be the whole backing up maneuver thing that you have to do. Now, driving in traffic. You're going to have to demonstrate the ability to drive safely in traffic, and that's very important for the road test in order for you to pass as well. So you might want to consider the following tips. Maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead of you. I think in my last video, I spoke about this and taught you guys like, hey, this is how you're supposed to, like, this is the distance that you have to have when you're behind a vehicle. This is what's going to happen on the road test. You need to have a distance between you and the vehicle in front at all times. Obey traffic signals, signs, and speed limits always. Use your mirrors frequently to monitor traffic around you. Be prepared to react to changing road conditions, such as sudden stops or lane closures. This you should know how to do. Stay focused and avoid distractions, such as using your phone or adjusting the radio. You don't need to do none of that. And last but not least, observation and communication. So effective observation and communication skills are essential for safe driving and passing your road test. Continuously scanning your surroundings by using your mirrors and checking blind spots, signaling your intentions early and clearing when changing lanes, turning or merging into traffic. Use hand signals if necessary, especially in situations where visibility might be limited. Be aware of other drivers' actions and anticipate potential hazards on the road. Maintain situational awareness and adjust your driving behavior according to the road and keeping it safe for you and others. Now, mastering these maneuvers and skills will not only help you pass your road test, but also contribute to your overall safety and confidence as a new driver. So practice these techniques regularly to become more at ease with each maneuver and feel more confident, right? And be a responsible driver on the road. You shall pass your driver examination first try. You shall pass if you practice each and everything that I'm telling you right here and are very careful driving. With that being said, once again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, for your comments, your feedback. Thank you so much. I always look at the comments. I'm always trying to respond to every single one and keep in mind every feedback. That being said, thank you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and you're interested in more tutorials because I will be posting daily. And yeah, see you on the next one.